Hello everyone, this is the first step that you have to conduct if you have large classes that you're going to have to assess. This process might make it a little bit easier for you to do. Alright, so the first step to do is to basically get a format for a marking sheet that you're going to use for all of the students. It's really easy, just any kind of thing in Excel that works out for you, and this will only work if you do it in Excel. So what I've done is I've just got marking sheet, the course code and everything, and I sort of modify it for each of the questions that I have. You can put in different types of formulas that calculates the results automatically. For instance, over there I deduct marks if students submit late. Alright, so what you need to remember to do is do a nice screen print or go to the printing preview and make sure that the document fits into all of the margins of the document. Alright, so if you go into page setup, and what you want to do is make sure that in the custom header you add @tab, because what we're going to do is we're going to use the @tab for the student names and numbers. Alright, so go into the center section over there, add in @tab, and it's just one of these little drop down buttons over here. And I've also added the @tab at the bottom so that I can get that, and over there I've got the @file, so that gives me the file name over there. Alright, so you can play around with this, you can have dates and stuff in there to make it easier for you to do. Alright, so if you have all of that ready, that's basically the first step that you have to do. Alright, remember that important you have to name this first sheet template, and the second sheet is going to be called data. Alright, we're going to use that in the next video, so make sure that you've got template and data over there. Alright, so the big things that you have to remember for this one: marking sheet. Alright, make sure that you've got the margins right. Go on to the page preview, click on page setup, click on custom header, make sure that you have the @tab over there. Alright, so how you do it is just if you keep your mouse over there, it will show you which ones is the one that you want, and what you want is that one there which says insert sheet name. And what that does, it gives you the student's name that we're going to put in the tab at the bottom. Alright, so remember I've put it in the middle there, so that's perfect for me, and that's the end of step 1 that you have to do.